Katie, Jack, and Oliver here. Today we're excited to be doing an unboxing of not one, but 2 Stitch Fix boxes. And what's most exciting about this is that it's their kids line. I've been using Stitch Fix for several years now, and I love everything I get from them for the most part. So when I saw that they were releasing the kids line, I was really excited to try it out, especially because I heard the products were going to be pretty reasonably priced. And while I don't mind actually shopping for my boys at the store, it's kind of fun for them to get things in the mail. I know Jack and Oliver have both been very excited to see what's in their box. This isn't sponsored, but my affiliate link, if you want to try it out, is up there. But I did order these, out of my own pocket or whatever. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's a closed subscription service. You fill out a long survey online, just about your preferences, sizes, etc. And it was a similar process with the kids. It was pretty easy. I told them what we liked, what we didn't like, and within a little while they sent us a box. So we're excited to see what's inside. Of these 2 boxes. So they are for children, I think 2 to maybe 16 or maybe 14. I don't know. So it's a wide. They have clothes for a wide range of ages and sizes. So Jack's going to be starting 1st grade here, so we're hopefully going to get some new items for him. And Oliver's always needing some new things because he's growing lots, aren't you? Oliver's been very excited for his to come. Jack's came a couple days ago, and Oliver was devastated that his didn't come. So he's been waiting for it every day since, and it is finally here. But we're going to start with Jack's box. So let's see what's inside. Make it all fun. It says Stitch Fix Kids. It has the envelope so you can send it back with Jack. So let's see. So they have this little note card inside. It says, "Hi there. This Stitch Fix was made just for you. Open me for a little message from your stylist. Hi Jack. Your mom mentioned that you would love some school-friendly clothes, so I thought you would love some comfortable jeans and pants. Pair with any of the tops and the Tom sneakers for school, playing outside, or riding your bike. Since you love sports, pair your shorts with the lizard tee and sneakers. P.S. When your mom checks out, be sure to leave some feedback so I know what you liked." Okay, so sometimes it says "Welcome to Stitch Fix Kids," and then it says how much everything is.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, Katie. Yeah, so I'll tell you this in a second, how much everything costs. Oh, they gave us some little stickers. That's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Some little stickers for you to do. Okay.
Even an ice cream cone sticker.
Isn't that silly? Okay, Jack, let's see what's in here.
I mean, the clothes in
Let's see
there.
what's in this box. It's kind of fun. It's all zipped up and a nice little... Ooh, some shoes. Ooh, those look a little bit big, but these are kind of like Forrest did a Stitch Fix for men a little while ago, and he had Tom shoes. So what do you think of those?
Good.
I think that they are probably a little bit too big though.
Yeah.
So we'd probably have to get a different size. I wasn't totally sure what size to tell them for Jack. His shoes, I don't know. Kids' shoe sizes confuse me, but I thought that I got the right one, but I guess I didn't. So there's some Toms. Those are real nice. Those are great for school. They don't have laces, which I'm sure teachers appreciate. We're still learning to tie our shoes, aren't we?
Yeah, and no laces that come good for me because I don't really know how to tie shoes.
Yes, we're working on it though. Okay, let's see what's in here.
New clothes.
Okay. I'm going to show this one. Let's see. So this is a
Tacos with wings.
Oh, tacos with wings. Interesting. So here's the first shirt. So it looks it has a nice little pocket. Feels pretty good quality. So let's see what that one is. Ooh. Animal with a lizard. Ooh.
I mean frog.
Oh, a frog. Is that what do you think of that?
Good.
Good, pretty good? Let's look at it. The Grant graphic tee, I don't know. So it's something. If you're watching and you know what this is, let us know. What do you think it is, Forrest?
Well, I know it's in the Jurassic Park movie, but I don't really.
Oh,
well,
cool.
It reminds me of something in the Jurassic
It's
Park
kind of
movie.
cool. There's some texture on it, so that's always kind of fun.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. Let's see. I can see closer up the texture a little bit. Yeah. Okay.
Well, let's see. Oh, this
Kind
is
of like a
interesting.
shirt kind
It's
of.
kind of interesting.
It does like shirt suit.
It's like a jean button-up shirt. Not so sure how I feel about that. What do you think? It's kind of interesting. Kind of reminds me he's like I don't love things like this where it looks like it's distressed or whatever, or like it's worn out. Not my favorite style. So we'll see about that. see. Let's see what's next. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this shirt says tacos and nachos, movies, toys, bikes, and skateboards. I don't love shirts like this either. I think I kind of told them that in my feedback, but I might have forgotten. So we'll see about that. It's kind of, I mean, it's like a first grade boy shirt, but.
Jack's never had a skateboard.
Yeah, Jack doesn't have a skateboard.
Mommy, can I see it?
What do you think?
Tacos, nachos, movies, toys, and bikes, skateboards.
Do you think that's funny? Do you like it or no?
I like it kind of.
Kind of like it. Okay.
Cactus.
Ooh, cactus shorts.
Interesting.
That's interesting. Not so sure that's quite our style around here,
I know
but
the next one.
we'll see how short those are. I don't like short shorts on boys either, so we'll see how those go.
A monster shirt.
Oh, that's pretty silly. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's so, oh, look at that.
What?
I wasn't sure if I'd like this, but it's actually kind of funny. That seems like something you might wear. Okay. Oh, there's still more things in here.
I know.
Ooh, some nice comfy pants. You love comfy pants, don't you? You just like me. You like comfy. Ooh, nice.
Ooh, I don't think that could be some comfy jeans.
Ooh, those look awesome. Smart denim. Pure cotton. It's made of cotton. Interesting. You think this is one of my sizes? So those are kind of, they look a little long. Jack's not the tallest, but.
You can roll up the bottom.
Roll
of
up them.
his pants.
Ooh, another pair of nice pants.
Really long ones.
These are really long. They're comfy. They're stretchy though, and they feel really comfortable. So that's everything. So obviously they get a lot of items in the boxes. And you can specify if you don't want them to send shoes or accessories or whatever. So total, it's $232. That's if you buy. That's just the cost of everything. If you buy everything, you get 25% off, which makes it down to $174 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. The most expensive items on here are the jeans, like the denim pants and the knit pants, and the toms. Everything else, the t-shirts are all between $12 and $18, which is a little more than I typically would spend on clothes, especially because kids outgrow them so fast. But it's not horrible, especially because the clothes are good quality from when I was feeling the material. They feel like they'll stand up under the test of time. And Jack, he wears shirts. He's still wearing a shirt from preschool, so he wears clothes for a while. But I bet you're gonna go through a big growth spurt. So that's Jack's. If we buy everything, it'd be $174.
Once Jack's done, Oliver will probably wear it. So.
Yeah, that's the thing with a lot of the things. It's like we like clothes that last a long time. I'm not someone that gets rid of clothes just because my kid's done wearing them, because I have Oliver and we just save them away for next time.
Yeah, we save them for Oliver.
It's probably better to pass on clothes that are new as opposed to secondhand clothes you buy for Jack.
Yeah.
And then they're like third hand for Oliver.
That's true. A lot of his clothes have come from Once Upon a Child or Kid to Kid, so this might be better. So these do seem good quality. Like the pants seem really good quality. Again, I don't know if I'm going to pay $48 for a pair of pants, but we'll see. So now it's Oliver's turn. Should we see what's in your box, sweetie?
You excited, buddy?
Oliver's been so... What is this box? What is this? Is this your Stitch Fix?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Hi there. Let's see what they said. Hello, Oliver. Since you like dinosaurs, superheroes, and animals, I'm sending you some fun t-shirts in your fix today. The one with dinosaurs matches the navy shorts, and the jeans. The Velcro sneakers are perfect. Great, since you're often playing outside. She knows you play outside, or he or she or whoever this is. So, Oliver got some stickers too.
Nice.
Very cool. So I think these are some shoes.
Yeah. Yeah, Paw
Ooh,
Patrol.
cool. No, they're not Paw Patrol. So some nice little sneakers. It feels pretty good quality. It looks probably nicer than most shoes we buy him. I don't know what material that is, but they look nice. What do you think, Oliver? You think those look good? Okay. So there's the shoes. Here's the close-up of the shoes. Okay, let's see. Ooh, lots of clothes for Oliver.
Let's go.
Batman!
Oh.
Look at that. There's a Batman shirt. It says kaboom!
You mean-
Kaboom! So what do you think of that, Oliver? Is that cool?
Yeah, I know.
Not sure what this is. Oh, a hoodie. Just a nice green hoodie that's gonna keep you nice and warm. What do you think of this?
Good.
Good? I bet you'd like that.
Now a nice feeling shirt.
Let's see, these are actually shorts. Those look a little big for Oliver, but might grow into them. Those look like they could actually even fit Jack.
Some jeans.
Some other shorts, some blue shorts, some other blue shorts. Ooh, those feel nice. All of the quality of these materials feel really well. Good, so that's good. Let Oliver do it. You want to open this one? See what's inside. You want to see? Look.
Ooh, a nice
In Ties
shirt.
We Trust. Interesting. It's a Hurley shirt. Let's see that. This seems a little edgy for me, but it's kind of cute.
Skeleton bones.
Ooh, dinosaur. Oh, these are dinosaur bones. Ooh, what do you think? Good.
Superheroes.
Ooh, this is a cool one.
The Avengers.
Superhero shirt.
Me and Avengers.
Is that cool?
Oh, no.
Another dinosaur shirt.
Real sneakers.
So there's some dinosaur shirt, another dinosaur shirt, nice long sleeve. And finally some pants,
You mean jeans.
which might be a little long. They say awesome on the thing, which is a little bit weird, but kind of cute. What do you think, Oliver? Good. Okay, so let's see how much Oliver's stuff is
All together.
all together. Okay, so $214. It'd be $160 for everything. Ooh, those shoes are $54. Not so sure about that. I don't think I have bought shoes recently that are more than $54, but those were my running shoes, and I will probably use those until they die. Most of our shoes around here are from Target for like $10, so not so sure we'll be getting shoes from Stitch Fix in the near future because they grow out of shoes so fast. But everything else, let's see. The Rory Kangaroo, I'm not sure what that is. $26. That's the most expensive. The pants, all the pants are about $20 to $26. The shirts are $14 to $16, which again, we're used to, buying the secondhand stuff or the things from the $5 stand at Target, which, work. But these, this is better quality. He doesn't have a younger sibling, so I don't know if we'll ever have hand-me-downs for another child or not, for another baby boy or not. So I don't know if, but it's good to buy better quality clothes just so they can last longer. But overall, I think the clothes are good quality. Feeling the material, it feels like it's stuff that's not gonna wear out after a couple washes. And they have a wide variety of styles. Some of the things are a little bit, I'm like, oh, that's not quite what I was looking for, but most of the things were cool. So I'm excited to go through and see which of these things we're going to keep. I doubt we're going to keep everything, so we won't get that 25% discount. But hopefully we'll keep a couple of things and the kids can enjoy them in the coming future. So I'd love to hear what you think if you order Stitch Fix. It's kind of a fun way to start the school year, a different way to do back to school clothes shopping. So let us know if you have any questions, and again, you can sign up through the link in the description for this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.